Still using basic earbuds for your music? It's time to upgrade your everyday listening. Galaxy Buds 3 FE deliver clear, balanced sound, effective active noise cancellation, and a lightweight, comfortable design made for all-day use. In this video, we'll take a quick look at their key features and see how they perform in real-world listening. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Galaxy Buds 3 FE with a wireless charging case, extra ear tips, and user manual. Want to grab the Galaxy Buds 3 FE from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Feel the impact of every beat thanks to the larger 11mm speakers for deep bass. Galaxy Buds 3 FE make your sound amazing, from phone calls to playlists. Fill your space with deep, multi-directional sound. 360 audio creates a spatial audio experience, simulating surround sound for a truly captivating listening experience. Confidently hear and be heard on phone calls with family and friends thanks to the added microphone and enhanced background noise reduction on Galaxy Buds 3 FE. With hands-free access to Gemini, Smart Assistance is always within earshot. No need to reach for your phone. Get help on the go just by using your voice. Hear translations through your Galaxy Buds during face-to-face conversations. Now chat easily with new neighbors who speak a different language, or with locals while you are traveling. Seamlessly connect between devices. Galaxy Buds 3 FE automatically switch between your phone, tab, and Galaxy Book depending on where audio is playing. Smooth, intuitive gestures keep you in control so you can keep your phone in your pocket. Specifications. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Galaxy Buds 13 Bas from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store. Android only. It allows you to manage settings, customize touch controls, and install firmware updates. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Galaxy Buds. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Galaxy Buds 3 FE. See you in the next one.